Hey Peyton, new challenge. Say Coca-Cola without letting your lips touch together 3 times fast.
Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola.
Now say it normally.
Coca-Cola.
Did your lips touch?
No.
Oh my god. There's no way she's gonna get into this. Nail polish, lip gloss container, and a syringe. My girlfriend's getting her lips done today and she told me to bring a moisturizer when I pick her up, but little does she know it's gonna be nail polish. Let's see if this works. Oh, it's working. It's gonna look so good on her. I love it. It matches her shirt.
This color's weird.
Babe, it looks so pretty.
It smells toxic. I can't have this on my lips.
I have makeup wipes. Babe, here's makeup wipes.
Okay. You're just together. You're orange. Just the middle. How come you make a voice?
I super glued that it's nail polish.
Oh, what the heck?
Just stop teaching to give a life story and they be like, my bad, yo. I'm like, no, it's okay. It's okay, continue. Yeah, it's okay, continue.
Julia, straight arm challenge.
So you have to keep a completely straight arm and go back and get as many in your mouth as you can.
I got a lot. 2, 1, go.
So I'm not scared anymore. Woohoo! Right? But I didn't always feel this calm. In fact, I was super nervous when I approached my destination to get my flu shot. But there was nothing to be afraid of because it was so easy. I got my shot to protect my family. Who did you...
Straight? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna disappear. Not forever, but I'll be back. Okay? Okay. I'm still here.
Where'd Daddy go?
Oh no.
Oh no!
What happened?
Where's Daddy been? He's not there either.
Oh no, check in the blanket. Say, Daddy,
Daddy.
where'd he go?
All right, just lay back and we'll get started. Okay. Holy wow, those nostrils are massive. Holy shit.
Yeah, I get that a lot.
God damn, seriously. Holy wow.
Okay.
They are like trying to talk to me right now. Holy.
Okay, you can start now.
I'm trying to. I'm just trying to figure out which hole is your mouth.
All right, they're not that big. Hey, Jill, you gotta see this kid's nostrils. Oh my god.
What is it? I'm coming. Yeah, he's right here. Look, they look like fucking planets. Where's the... Oh my god! Those look like ping pong balls.
Yeah, ping pong balls on steroids. Yo, if y'all don't start working on my damn mouth.
Can you even imagine the type of shit that comes out of those nostrils? He doesn't even need pockets. He can just fit everything in his nose.
Alright, fuck this, man. I'm keeping the cavity.
I just realized something. Like, when we go to the bathroom, the boop, boop, beep, beep, boop, 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 you know what I'm saying? Do what you need to do. If the toilet was real and they could express how they feel, this all they would see. Just straight up darkness, crack, and bully hole. Oh my lord.
Hi. When you walked in the joint, I could tell you were a real big spender.
This is rather remarkable, actually. If you go through this gate in my back garden at the right angle, you'll end up in Spain.
What the shit is that?
I am the grass fairy. If you put your grass bones under your pillow at night, I'll give you 50p.
Now, I'm not certain, but I think there's a good chance these could turn into raspberries.